Take a lead and no.
And
Keep calculating.
No, I want to go.
It's okay.
Okay. So, if we sort of look at the layout for number 4,
okay, let's do it.
Ordonez
Oh, he's very good.
has a career batting average. I don't know if that's still his career, but that's when I wrote the test a different year.
It's gonna work.
.312. He comes to bat 5 times a game. Assume that each time is an independent binomial trial.
So then you do 5 to
Probability of
0.
success or probability of
Right.
failure?
Okay, and let's summarize here. So probability of success, which is what?
0.312
plus
0.76 something.
8.
All right, that's what a binomial problem always gets broken up into. Probability of success, which is a hit, probability of an out. And those are the two possibilities, and that's raised to the 5th power.
Yeah.
But we're only looking at a specific part. So the probability that you get 5 outs, right?
So that's 5 to 0.
And then
0.688 to the power 5.
right.
That's what I'm doing.
0.1541.
Yeah.
To get 5 outs, you're looking at the last term in the binomial expansion. The first term would be 5 hits. 5 choose 5, 0.312 to the 5th. So if we think about it, you've got all those different, 5 choose 5. You got a 5 choose 4 term. 5 choose 3, all the way down to 5 choose 0.
And that's 0.1541.
Okay.
Okay, I want to write down.
So help with part B.
Okay, okay.
Do you need the class on page?
Can you give me my pen so I can do part B?
Oh, yeah, sure.
So guys, for part B, you deal with
Can you give me my pen?
You have to do 4 and 5.
You do, yeah.
Wait, I don't get the last one.
Yeah.
5 choose 4.
It's not even funny. It's like
0.688 to the
weird.
power something.
Right. Okay. So we need probability of
5 hits or 4 hits.
4 hits, or I should do that. 4
When you
hits.
add into the score.
It's you're do 5 outs, not O to the 5th, so we're not. Yeah. Okay, so no, we probably want to use direct since 2 cases are more than doing the other 4.
0.688 to the power 1. No. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. 0.688 to the power 1.
0.312 to the 4.
You add them or do you?
And then you add.
This is an or, right?
Yeah, and then
so
you
it's
add
addition.
5 choose 5, which is 1 times 3.312 to the 5th. And then you end up getting 10 over 356.
Yeah, it's just like there's like column errors.
Oh.
And
5.6.
yes. So this 0 is a significant?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
No.
If you wrote it as
No.
All 5 then.
So there's no significant digit?
3, 5, 5.
Yeah.
There's no significant digit.
Sort of what I just
IB is 4 significant digits unless they ask otherwise.
That's how we learned it.
Yeah.
So if you have, something like 1,823,000, so on, that was your answer. And they said 4 significant digits would be 1, 8, something, something, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Here in the college you'll be attending.
And do they say that somewhere in the? I'm not sure.
Do
It's not in the packet.
you have a cover on the actual test I gave you? Do you have the cover?
Abhishek,
Like
is it
the
how
practice
That's
test I
on the
gave?
cover.
says it again. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Three
I
significant
thought it was
And then, oh, that's really cool.
Yeah. It's three significant digits where AP is three
Decimal.
decimal places.
And
Yeah.
guys, did you hear the correction?
I heard.
Did
Three
you hear it on
significant.
the computer over there?
Yeah.
Oh, three.
Three significant digits. Sorry.
Wait,
Oh.
she's gonna watch that.
At one time it
Where's
was
it,
4, because I know AP
Yeah,
and
but it
ID
might
are
have been
different.
before me because I.
Might have been a while ago.
Wait, they won't mark you down if you do 4, will they?
Yeah.
They
Oh,
will.
yeah.
But I think they only take
one mark.
they take off.
Did you got a whole mark?
One mark out of
Yeah.
like 5.
I think they don't repeat.
Yeah, but that's a
I
lot.
know,
Like
that's all kinds of-
with rounding, I think if they do 4 all the way throughout, I think they take 1 off total
Oh.
for the question.
Nice stop.
But that's still like shortcuts with a lot of adds up.
Yeah. So Andrew,
Not everything's a decimal.
0.0356.
that would be the correct one, and here would be.
Wait, where is Nithya?
Sorry.
Right there.
Oh,
Hi, Nithya.
Get up here and-
oh, we got to go back and read the instructions.
Hello from the past.
Okay, now
Yeah, everyone's like this.
part C. How many have worked with conditional probability?
Okay.
What is the probability that he will bat for the cycle, given that he had 4 hits in the game?
You find the probability of exactly 4 hits, and then you multiply by all those probabilities put together.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, well, no, this formula is, look on your sheet. There's a formula that has something like this
Wait, what sheet? Where is it?
in your packet.
Give it.
Did I have
No, I don't. I have.
Oh, no, I have.
Yeah, if you have your packet or share it, where is it at? It's on page. All the ones are out.
Oh, 6. Here we go.
6.
The probability of A intersection B.
There it is, 6, 7. Conditional probability.
Got him.
So, what you're doing is you're looking at a case like this where you have possible overlapping results, and we're trying to find the probability of this happening given that you're in this circle. So you take the probability of A and B happening divided by the probability that B happens.
Oh. You do it.
It's the intersection, right? The A intersection.
Yeah.
Okay.
In the book I use, that's what that means. But for IB,
So
yeah, you have
what's
to-
the line mean?
given that. So whenever you read a problem and you see the word given that tells you it's a conditional. So in this one,
A given that. Oh, okay.
what's the probability that he bats for the cycle given that he had 4 hits?
So you have to find the probability that you get 4.
Okay. Well, the first thing,
0.0326.
the probability that you're given get 4 hits is,
0.0326.
and that's because you did.
I did
5
5
choose.
choose 4 times 688, 0.688 times 0.312 to the 4.
You can just copy what we did.
That's what he did.
All right, that's this part here. Okay. Now the numerator is different than what we did before because it's the probability of hitting for the cycle within 4 hits.
So you just multiply all the numbers.
So, if we need to get 4 hits, what do you have to?
If there's one single.
Well, first, yeah, to get a hit, you have to do what? What's the probability of getting a hit?
0.312 times
0.312
0.65.
times that it's a
And
single.
then 0.65 times. So 0.312 to the 4th again.
Oh, you have to do that.
Right. This is getting a hit and a single.
Okay. Yeah.
This is getting a hit.
Don't you have to add them?
No, because it's all one event.
So you multiply.
Oh, okay.
You have to show up.
It's an and
Oh.
times what? 0.2.
Yeah. And then times
2.
20.
So you can just say 0.132 to the 4th again and just cancel it out.
It will be to the 4th.
Fish.
0.01. And then 0.312.
0.14. Now, we have to make sure that we get everything. Is this everything?
No.
What if he gets like
What if you get?
Any order.
a double and a single?
Okay. Bat. But how many times did he bat?
5. Mine has a multiple.
He also has to get a.
You have to get a miss. You have to get a miss.
You have to get an out.
Oh, that's tricky.
This is so
That's
hard.
tricky.
And the trickiest part of all, what goes in front?
4. Five.
No.
No.
Something. Something.
1 over 5 factorial.
Well,
All the ways you.
almost.
5
over
factorial.
Just 5 factorial.
5 factorial. Got it.
Because they're all distinct.
Oh, got it.
They're all distinct events. If remember playing cards, if you had 2 pairs, now the 2 pairs aren't distinct, but these are all distinct events.
Did Neil like this question?
Okay, then.
But that
Neil take this?
Neil would have taken this, yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Okay,
Wait, so it's 5 factorial because you can have it in
Yeah, that
different.
was-
because they're all distinct.
You might calculate it, and
I need
I.
to see some.
What do you need to see? Just tell me.
He doesn't want to.
Oh, so if you
This is like the problem, like how many orders are there for the word Mississippi?
Yeah.
Right.
okay.
You've got, it's the multinomial coefficients.
Okay.
So if I were to write this, I've got an out, I've got a single, I've got a double, I've got a triple, and a home run.
Wait, I don't understand.
They can
Why
be
you got
any
5
order.
factorial?
How many different orders? How many different orders are there for the letters?
How many?
Can't you just multiply by 5? Obviously,
You
5.
can't just do whatever you want.
I-
Because
How many different letters are there? How many different orders?
5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Got it.
thank you.
And
Elementary.
then that